Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight, the Hubs has been working 6 and 7 days a week to get the soybeans cut and try to get ahead. So I decided tonight I was going to fix him a steak. And I have 3 fillets that I took out of the freezer and thawed out. And I'm going to cook them in this iron skillet. And I have put about 2 tablespoons of butter in the skillet. I'm gonna season these with Montreal steak seasoning. It's always my go-to. I love Montreal steak seasoning. I use it on beef, pork, and sometimes chicken. So I'm gonna season them with that. And then I'm gonna put this on low to medium heat. And I'm gonna put these in this black iron skillet and cook them for about 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes on each side, and then check it for doneness. How do y'all like your steaks when you fix them at home? I would love to know. Like, how do you season them? Do you always use a grill, or do you use a iron skillet, or put them in the oven? I put them in the oven before when our grill was out. It's a little too chilly outside to do outside grilling right now for me. So that's why I'm doing it inside. But anyway, that's what I'm doing in my kitchen tonight. And we will be eating that with a baked potato and a simple salad. I'll show you a picture of it when I'm done. But that's what I'm doing in my kitchen tonight. Let me know how y'all like to cook your steaks when you have to cook them inside. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real. See ya.